parachuting, utilizing modern equipment for swift and precise as well as strategic operations.
On a land domain, you can see
Subsequently, ladies and gentlemen, is the South African Army Light Infantry capability. The Light Infantry in the South African Army is specialized, highly mobile units within the South African Army Infantry Formation, designed for rapid deployments and specialized light-equipped roles. Light Infantry, ladies and gentlemen, operates alongside mechanized, motorized, seaborne, and parachute infantry as part of the South African Army Infantry Formation. They are in Mambas, armored personnel carriers, and responsible to ensure that our rear areas are protected from any interference from opposing forces. Following, ladies and gentlemen, coming in new are vehicles from Paramount Land Systems participating in the mechanized columns. It is the Matla short wheelbase, new generation level 1 protection light multi-role vehicle with a main armament of 12.7mm heavy machine guns or 40mm. Also alongside it, ladies and gentlemen, is the Matla long wheelbase, the new generation level 1 protection light multi-role vehicle with increased capacity and capability. The maximum speed of this vehicle is 100 kilometers per hour and the main armament is 12.7mm heavy machine guns or 40mm automatic grenade launchers. Subsequently, ladies and gentlemen, is the motorized infantry capability. The South African Army's motorized infantry forms a key component of the infantry formation, utilizing armored personnel carriers like the Caspers, Mambas, and Samel trucks for rapid troop deployment and mobility. And here, ladies and gentlemen, are they in their typical Casper APC vehicles. These are the capabilities with which the South African Army is able to protect and consolidate all the gains that are made on the battlefield by making sure that not only can they fight to win the ground, but also to maintain the ground and win the ground that was lost. The different Casper variants are command and section platforms. They are fitted with 7.62mm machine guns, and this capability are used during internal as well as external operations.
Very much of an educational tool for myself as well as South Africans.
To come, ladies and gentlemen, from Twiga Services and Logistics Africa, the Twiga Nyati 4x4 mine and ballistic protected infantry fighting vehicle, designed and qualified for the African battle space. The Nyati infantry fighting vehicle can be fitted with a wide range of weapon systems, ensuring a fighting platform for counterinsurgency, infantry, and special forces operations.
whereas we are saying because this arms of service is a representation of units across all the, some of them are from F1 where, so
Following, ladies and gentlemen, as part of